Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting today and we are going to attempt to do the bloom technique. Now off camera, I'll admit, without you, I was practicing. Had some okay ones, some terrible ones. I was testing technique, ingredients, consistency, and just be thankful you didn't have to sit through and watch all these videos because you would have been like, enough. Oh, we're pouring out a little bit. I don't have my lid on all the way. I thought I had it on there perfect, but it slid off. Oh no! Getting paint everywhere. Okay, I will fiddle with that after. Wipe my hands off. So I just picked up this paint yesterday, and actually I think I need a little bit more on there, so I do get to fiddle. Okay, I'm back. I fixed my little whatever issue was happening. Some more bloom paint on there. So this is satin, white paint. Now color-wise, okay, so go back to the beginning. Did a whole bunch of testing. Finally got my greasy paws on some Jo Sonjas. So that's what we're working with today for the medium. So I found this. I need my spoons. I need my spoons. Thought I grabbed spoons. Apparently I didn't. Told you, you can't take me anywhere. So I found an art store that carries Jo Sonjas. Called them up yesterday and they were like, yeah, we got one bottle of gloss varnish in stock. So I was like, woohoo, I'm coming to get it. They ended up having a bit more than that, but then I found some pigment powder and went, well, I'm having troubles with the consistency with the Liquid X is what I was using before. So decided, let's do the pigment powders. So you are coming on this attempt with me. Yay for you. Really hoping this will turn out now that I've got proper ingredients. So I just added the pigment powder, so it's a little bubbly. That's okay. If this works out, I'll tell you what the colors are. You can see it's going to be a pink theme. I feel like this is not straight. Am I on a bump? I might be. Hopefully you're still in frame. So I was on a little bit of a bump. Wasn't sure how much pigment powder to add, and you know, brand new to pigment powder, never used it before. So you can see it's a pink theme. I might have already said that. This one is pink gold. You're not really seeing the sparkle sheen coming off of them, but they all have a beautiful sparkle sheen. I picked up 12 different colors. I felt like a kid in the candy store. Okay, and then for my CA, I went with a light pink. So hopefully this isn't going to be too pink. Okay, now the question is, do I blow with the blower or with my mouth? Let's get a few bubbles popped. can see a few big ones. So I'm going to do the blower on this one. You know, I got lots of pouring medium that I mixed up. Well, I could easily make more colors now, but I was just so excited to try this. Gotten a little bit of lacing. Okay, not a lot of lacing. Little sad about that. The colors look really pretty. Let's see what happens if I just give it a little blow. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting the paint underneath. But, you know, it's first go. Gonna spin it slow the first couple ones, get the paint over the edges so my 10 by 10 canvas will stick. A little bit there. Gone over 2 edges. 3 now. Shifted a little bit there. I don't know if you saw that. You might have heard it too, actually. Okay, you stay centered. It's not quite getting the lacing. Still looking interesting. You can see how much I've been practicing by how much dried paint I've got in my little pool here, collapsible pool. It's looking very soft and pretty. I'll grant you that much. Let's give it one more. Maybe this one would have looked better with white. CA. Maybe the pink is getting lost in it. Because yeah, I did up with just a couple colors because I was like, you know what? I just want to play, see what I can get. It looks neat. I'm happy with this one. Don't quite have the lacing, but I think I did a pretty good job. Let's make sure it's still in frame for you. Oh yeah, you can see it, no problem. So here, let me straighten it for you. So there, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. This is a keeper. I had a lot of non-keepers. This one I'll keep. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. and I appreciate you. Until next time.